Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. So much going on today. Absolutely fantastic. So much to share with you, so much to talk about, and it's all going to happen here live in the next 20 minutes or so. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, as you can see, my portfolio is up today again. My Roth IRA is up today, and my overall balance is just touching 56,000. Not that far away from all-time high of 58,000. We could be there. This is the power hour on a Friday night. Virgin Galactic is going up, and it's going up quick. So, what's been going on with Virgin Galactic? Well, I will tell you in a few moments, and I'll tell you exactly what is about to happen, even more importantly than what has happened, but what is about to happen. All right, let's see who's here. 2 minutes, guys, talking to Virgin Galactic like a boss. Yes, I was 2 minutes late because I was talking to Virgin Galactic. LOL, says MOS. No, not funny at all. Colin Parkinson. Yo, Buckaroony, Green Day on a Friday. Oh, yes. Hey there, says Tio Roll. Hello, how are you? Bread, welcome, Bread. How are you doing this afternoon? We are going to have to be members only in a few minutes because we have a very important statement to make with Virgin Galactic. Very important. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put out what we're going to do. I'm going to put it on my social media. So I'm going to put it out now. I'm going to share with you me doing it so you can be part of it. All right. As we always do, everything together. Okay. Here we go. Let's have a look here. So, start off with SPCE, big Virgin Galactic statement event. Happening now on YouTube. Okay, and let's have a look here. Don't miss this one. Okay, don't miss this one. Let me put a little thing there, and I shall give the show link as well. So we'll just put the show link in there. There we go. This is our link to the show. And I'll put it out here. And SPCE, Virgin Galactic, Martyn Lucas and Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay. Put this out now. Here we go. Big Virgin Galactic statement event happening now on YouTube. And there we go. Don't miss this one. There's the link to the show. Copy that. That's on StockTwits. And I want everybody who wants to be involved with this to click on it a second. I'm going to give you the link in a minute. We're going to do the same thing on to X. All right. I'll come back in a minute and give you guys the link. Let's try that again. That didn't pick up the link. Let's do that again. There we go. That's better. Sometimes let's get rid of that one. Let's do that again. Sometimes it doesn't pick up the link. I don't know why. There we go. That's better. You can't post the same thing twice. And it's still not coming through the way I want it, but That'll have to do. I don't know why that is. It's a bit daft. Oh, has it come through? Yeah, it's come through now. There we go. Sometimes does that, but that's all right. Okay. And also our Facebook page and group. There we go. Put it there as well. Okay. You're going to love this, guys, and you all need to be involved. If you don't get involved now, you'll be left behind. And I mean that. All right. And I mean that. Okay. So you don't want to get left behind here. Okay. So give that a couple of seconds. That will post. Right. Here we go. So there you go. The statement is big Virgin Galactic statement event happening now on YouTube. Don't miss this one. There is the link. If I click on the link, that's all working. Let me give everybody one chance, each one. Copy link to the post. Here is the stock twits. Right? There is the stock twits. Everybody who wants to be involved, go reshare and give it a like. All right? I'll give it a couple of seconds. There is stock twits for you. Get involved. You don't want to be left behind. I'll leave that. I'll come. That's all. Wow, it's already getting reshared. It's already getting liked. Fantastic. That's really good. Thank you very much. Mike was the first one there. Okay, that's happened. We got reposts and likes already. Great. Now let's do the same thing for this. Wow, people are already jumping on it quick as well. Copy link. Here is the X post. One chance. There it is. There is the X post. Okay. Let's see how fast you're getting on that. Okay. Yeah, you're sharing. Yeah. We got Bob through. We've got people coming in, following instantly. Brilliant. That's great. That's great. Resharing, reposting. Brilliant. Everyone's got that. Okay. Good. And I'll give it to you as well. Should you wish to do it on share now. There's not a link, is there? Facebook. We won't worry about Facebook. We won't worry about that. We've done the most important stuff. All right. Okay. Get back to the live show so I can see everybody in the show. Right. Okay, we're going to do something in a minute, and it'll be a members event, special for Virgin Galactic. Big announcement, really, really cool stuff. You don't want to miss it. And I'm getting ready to share with something new, really, really cool. And all right, so bring up that message there. Okay. We've got everything we need. We've got everything we need. Brilliant. Let me read these comments a minute. Very well done with space. Yes, it's just beginning though. It's 2.5 years of preparation for this, so it will take some time. I am excited. Thanks for the review. Oh, STNE. I'm so glad that you are in because, yes, your review is done. MSK will be next. So STNE, there it is. Now, what you can do, you can go to the video and if you want to, you don't have to, of course. I'm just telling you what you can do if you want to promote it. You can go to the video. And you can click the 3 dots, the share. You can share it around. But if you want to get YouTube to push it out and promote it, what you do is you go underneath. You can do a super thanks comment. It's not so I get a tip or anything. It's not about that. It's so YouTube can promote the video. If someone gives a super thanks, it does a highlighted comment. And I will then see it and pin it, and because the video gets a super thanks, YouTube push it out because remember they make a small commission on the on the super chats and super thanks. So when they see a video getting liked and shared and super thanks, they go, this must be a popular video, and they push it out to more people. It gets what's called recommended. So if you want the story to get out, you can just go under a video and do a super thanks, and that's exactly what it does. Now, my way of thanking you is I pin it to the top, reply to it, so you can see your message above my message. It goes right at the top. So if you want to do that, you can, and that's why I ask you to do it, not so I get a tip out of you or anything like that. I'm explaining what the benefits are to you if it's something that you are very passionate about. You want to see do well. All right, okay. So my portfolio is looking very, very nice indeed. We've got a big announcement today with Virgin Galactic coming up in a minute. Let me read the rest of the comments. Thank you for the reviews. You're very welcome. Tag Elon, maybe he's on lunch break. Hi, Martin. Thank you for the excellent live streams. Your show is constantly insightful and engaging. Jacob, thank you very much, Jacob. I appreciate that. Become a member of our channel. And really get involved with the family and what the movement, what we're trying to do. Here is my link to become a member, and we'll fly the flag for your country if we haven't yet covered your country. We've got members in 45 countries now. There is a link. You can do it on every device. If you are on an iPhone, the only thing on an iPhone, you'll need to use a browser, any browser, but you need to be desktop version to be able to make that link work. All right. Okay. Musk is pro-Palestine and Alex Karp Palantir is pro-Israel. Just like the Rothschild in the 19th century, I am backing both sides in an experiment to test trading strategy. Very, very good. That's good. I'll give you that. PLTR just sent new 52-week highs. I didn't let you down when I said 18 wouldn't be a bad buy. No, it doesn't mean to say that I'm buying it at 20 though. Maybe it gets away from me. It doesn't matter. My money is fully invested. You can't buy every stock, and you'll always lose money if you chase anything. Buy in good investments when they present themselves to you. Palantir is doing well. Palantir is going up. That doesn't mean to say I buy it now for 20. Of course, it could be Amazon in years to come. It could be $1,000 and I'll go, I wish I'd bought it. Of course, but I believe in investment, and I am invested. My stocks aren't just sat on the side. My money isn't sat on the sidelines. Not only am I in, I'm in with margin. So I am all in on investing. So it's not like I can find any money to put in there anyway, unless I wanted to sell something and then do it. And that would be crazy. So, it is a good company. You're absolutely right, Niels, but don't chase it if you're not in. If you're in, Niels, of course, you can add to your position, whatever, but maybe you've done all you need anyway. Bill is here. Welcome, Bill. Hey, Paddy. Lovely to have you here. Hey, everyone. Bread, super thanks. Bread. Bread. Super thanks isn't the words super thanks. That's very nice of you, but that's not what I meant. A super thanks. Let me share with you. It looks a bit, I think I've got it here. Have I got the thanks? Yes. That's a super thanks. You can go below a video and leave a comment, and it highlights your comment. That's what a super thanks is, but it tells YouTube to share the video because people are actually, promoting it. And I'm going to move that. That's actually in the wrong place. That needs to be there. I don't know why that's there. Yeah. Let me just align that up a bit. Let me make that a bit better. I don't very rarely use this. I don't like, whoops a daisy. Don't want that. Let me just make it a bit bigger. I don't do this because I don't ask for super thanks, I'm just explaining to those of you that like the idea what it's for and what it's all about. But anyway, there you go. Let me just make that a bit. Can I just align that up a bit more? There you go. Is that about right? There you go. So that's what oh, no, that's still not right. Let me get that better than that. Is that about right? Yeah, that's it. That's one more. Things have got to be right, guys. And not everything you can do before the show. This is something that's a spontaneous thing. There you go. So that's what a super thanks is. If you want to do a comment under a video, that's a super thanks, and you can it highlights the video and it promotes it. That's what that is. Bread came in and went, super thanks. I'm saying it. That should be good enough. Yeah, it should be good enough, but unfortunately it doesn't work that way. Out of interest, what's the big news released today? I must have missed an announcement they made. No, they haven't made it yet. I'm making an announcement. I'm telling you in a minute, Jacob. Raman, let's go. The news is so good that we have to chill the champagne. Yeah. Robbie Cooper, what is the space news, Martin? Good evening. What do you think about Roku? I haven't reviewed the stock, Gallius. I haven't reviewed it. So I can't give an honest opinion. If you want me to review it, then I will happily do that. It's a members thing, though. I've turned the England game off for this update. It better be good. You're making me feel bad now. I'm thinking it's not that good now. Anyway, keep begging for donations. Space video are polluted with... oh, my gosh. Here we go. Gary Gensler says hello. I'm in a minute we're going to be members only, so we're going to get rid of silly comments like that. If I remember correctly, Peltier was mentioned in your chat already in March, but before the rally began. Sometimes we should listen earlier. Indeed, it was. No, you shouldn't buy it here. Just saying it wasn't a bad recommendation for you a year and a half ago. Correct. Super thanks, Martyn Lucas. He's trying. He's doing his best. Hello, what about Roku? Seems to have a big potential. Gallius, if you're a member of my channel, I will happily make a review, a 20-minute, 30-minute video for you on it. I will review it, run it through my software and analyze it and get a full review. But it's a member's perk, I'm afraid. Robin Hood, nicely breaking 8 today. Let's hope we get more positive momentum over the weekend. Will you stop doing that? I was wondering when MSK would join in. Anyway, right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make the announcement of what's happening with a video. So I'm going to record it now. Now, because this is a Virgin Galactic announcement, and this video will be seen by Michael Cole-Glazier. This video will be seen by Virgin Galactic. I guarantee it. Because of that, we are going to go members only when I make this video. Okay? So, let me make it members only because we do not want anyone spoiling it. We don't want anyone like scamming and saying, like that guy a minute ago, that's saying, Virgin Galactic isn't any good. We don't want that because that's not true anyway. Okay, we're going to go to the Virgin Galactic colours. I'm going to take my... check my jumper off a minute. Okay, we're making a Virgin Galactic video that is going directly to Michael Cole-Glazier and the public relations team. We're going to get Virgin Galactic up on here. So we're members only. So when I start making the video, if you want to send a message to Virgin Galactic, if you want to send a message to Virgin Galactic or Michael Cole-Glazier or the astronauts, the pilots, whoever, you can do that through this video. You can do either the super chat or the crypto tip. You know how to do that. martynlucas.com/tip. You can do that. And you can do a comment, which will read out during this video. This video is going directly to Michael Cole-Glazier. They will see it. Okay? And I'm going to give you the news about it, right? Okay, so I've got that lined up, Virgin Galactic on the screen. Here we go. Virgin Galactic there. Let's bring up SPCE here. Yeah, my portfolio is just, it's about to explode. Short squeeze is starting to line up now. So the time to buy Virgin Galactic is nearly over, at least in the short term, of course. Right. There's that. Okay, we've covered that. Now then, I need my there we go. Virgin Galactic is starting to speed up as we do this. It's exactly on time, exactly what we expected. So that's all good. Virgin Galactic there. I've got that. Virgin Galactic. So it's going perfect. It's going. The timing couldn't be better. It's all going very, very well. Okay, turn off the smoke in a second. We're just getting the effect for the studio. Okay, and let's see if everybody's here. Right, everybody's here. Okay, so we've got that message lined up, and we've got that lined up. Okay, so SPCE is 30 minutes in. SPCE, we're making a video together. 30 mins in. So if you want to be part of the Virgin Galactic video, it's happening exactly to time, exactly as we thought. As you can see, Virgin Galactic is lifting off now. The short squeeze isn't that long away. We're not there yet. I will keep you updated with that. But we're going to make a video now, and I'm going to share with you the news I've got for you, what we're going to do, and everything. All right. And this video will go directly to Michael Cole-Glazier. Okay. So if you want to do a comment in the video, a super chat in the comment, and speak directly to Virgin Galactic or anybody involved, then you can. All right, you ready? Okay, here we go. Virgin Galactic, breaking news. It is breaking news, finally. Not normally breaking news, really, but today it really is. I'm very excited to talk to you now. I'm doing this during a live video from the Virgin Galactic studio. This video is going to go directly to Michael Cole-Glazier and the Investor Relations Manager. I'm very excited. You can see that Virgin Galactic price is going up very dramatically now. The short squeeze is getting very, very close. It's virtually too late now to jump in if that's what you're looking to do. But I've got some information to share with you, and I am really excited and passionate, as you know, about Virgin Galactic. I built the Virgin Galactic studio 2.5 years ago. You know that I was awarded the title of World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. I know about marketing. I know how to reach an audience. I have members in 45 countries around the world. More people watch the live flights, the earnings here, than any other channel live anywhere in the world, including the YouTube versions of the news media. We get a bigger, more engaged audience. We know that we represent 95% of the world's retail investors. We did a petition, but we also got everyone to send in the numbers of their share allocations via pictures, so I could go through and see how many shares were outstanding and how many shares that we represented via our viewers. So we know that we represent 95% of the world's retail investors. So I am very passionate and committed to Virgin Galactic. Well, recently, over the recent days, I am being contacted more and more often by people at Virgin Galactic, astronauts, pilots, people who work on the ground. They want to share their experiences and their stories around Virgin Galactic. And out of respect, as always, I know I make fun and have some fun here, but I do know how to do things properly and professionally. As I say, I've been in entertainment all of my life at the highest levels. I respect those private conversations, and they are always private conversations. However, they've asked me to reach out to you and ask if they could speak to me directly on the show and be part of it. Well, obviously, to do things properly, I would like to represent the company. I'd like to work for the company. I've said so on many occasions. I would like to work for Virgin Galactic in the PR and the marketing department. I can reach a bigger audience. I can present it more professionally, more openly, more honestly, reach more people. They're already here on my channel. We've already got the Virgin Galactic studio. If you partnered with me and employed me to represent Virgin Galactic, you could send me much more information. You could share links. You could allow your astronauts and mechanics and people who work with you to call into the show, be part of it. We could have special arrangements set up, and we could do an amazing thing together. Not only would we be able to sell the story of Virgin Galactic in the best way possible, I believe, I would save you millions of dollars in the process as well, and reach a wider audience. I'm already doing that, but I could do it with your information and your links and your information from the spacecraft and the interviews and so on, and it would be so much better. So I'm speaking directly to you, and I'm speaking directly to you because I was very proud and honored today to receive a message, in fact, 2 messages. This was the latest message I wanted to share on the screen. This is a test pilot. I'm talking to a test pilot. I'm talking to astronauts. I'm talking to lots of people via my X. I've always said I am. This is Nicola Pesile. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. I'd love to talk with you about Virgin Galactic. Would be happy to chat with you. I've said, and hello, I'd love to talk to you, he said, but I can't talk about Virgin Galactic and without approval, of course. I am the media, and he works at Virgin Galactic, and he wants to get official approval. So we've gone backwards and forwards and so on and so forth. This is just one of many people that would like to talk to me from Virgin Galactic. All right. So what I have been asking through my show is for you to contact me. I'm not going to contact Virgin Galactic and say, would you please, employ me or whatever. It's not my style at all. I just keep doing the job. You will get to hear about me. You will get to see me, and then you will contact me. Well, I'm very proud to say today, folks, that has finally happened. I was contacted today. I had an email here, and again, for security purposes, I've blocked out the name. I'm going to share with you, I've blocked out the name on the email and the email address because it's personal details that were sent to me. This was sent to me earlier on, just a couple of hours, in fact, an hour and a half ago. That's why my show was late today. I was in communication with Virgin Galactic. This is a communication from Virgin Galactic directly, the investor relations, who emailed my website. They contacted my website, and it says here at martynlucas.com, you've received the following form submission from the send us a message form on the contact us page on your website, martynlucas.com. So I've taken out the name and the email and the personal phone number out of respect to you. Of course, I don't want to do that. And the message is, hi Martyn, wanted to reach out and pass along my direct contact information. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you have regarding Virgin Galactic. All I will tell you, that is from the management of Virgin Galactic. I'm not going to give the name. I'm not going to give the email or the phone number. That's a private conversation that I have just received. I do get lots, but now we now have the management of Virgin Galactic reaching out to me. So because of that, I wanted to share that news with you and tell you what's the next step. The next step is I've already replied to that person at Virgin Galactic, and I have congratulated them first of all on doing an amazing job, and I think we all agree that they've done an amazing job so far. But I would like to be considered as the marketing manager and the PR relations manager for Virgin Galactic. Not only do I believe I can do a better job, reach a bigger audience, more committed, more dedicated. No one's got a better Virgin Galactic setup studio than I have. All I require is Virgin Galactic to set up links with me so I can get the information from the flights. I can also get direct communication with the astronauts and the pilots and Michael Cole-Glazier, and I have asked for that in that email. That email has been returned to them, and this video is going to accompany that. So there you go. That's the news today. So I also asked the manager, while he's waiting for my reply and this video, go and check out the Virgin Galactic song, which is better than theirs, if I'm honest. But I would say that, right? I wrote it. But according to you, you prefer it as well, the Virgin Galactic song. Anybody out there in space dedicated to Sir Richard Branson's mother, late mother, Eve. So there we go. There is an update from Virgin Galactic. I've been saying now for 2.5 years that I have contacts on the ground with those that work at Virgin Galactic, those that fly, everything else with Virgin Galactic, but now I'm sharing some of it with you for the very first time, because they have now finally reached out to me. They're now calling me. So thank you very much, Virgin Galactic, for reaching out to me. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you will consider employing me as your marketing manager. There's so much I can do to help promote Virgin Galactic in a positive, professional, enthusiastic way. I just need the official say from you so I can have the best interviews, the best information, and continue building what we started 2.5 years ago. So from all of us here on my show, I made this during a live video. This is not edited in any way. I'm saying it, I'm operating it as I would a live interview from you. So you can see I can handle things on the fly. I can deal with things in real time. Nothing's going to throw me. I have backup systems for everything. So please do reach out to me, and hopefully you will consider my proposal. I've got a strong belief it's going to happen, and I hope that you feel as passionately of Virgin Galactic's future as I do. From all of us here, from all of the viewers, the Lucas Aids, and everyone around the world, 45 countries, 95% of the retail investors, we wish you the best, and I look forward to your call. And as I always end my shows here, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Go space. All right. Okay. Let me read the comments. Does it work like that? Does what work like that? How to get a video suggested? Absolutely. What it takes to get a video suggested is in the first hour. It's called the golden hour. A video get high engagement, so people watch it. It's about watch time. If you watch the first second, it doesn't help. If you watch a video over 40%, ideally 100%, but excuse me, at least 40%, you like and comment and share, YouTube then will show another 100 people, and so it goes on, and that is all to do with the click-through rate, the watch time, and the engagement. Absolutely. And part of the engagement is when people do super thanks, because then they're actually saying, I love this video. I'm actually giving the video, a tip. And YouTube actually make money out of that as well. So, of course, that is how it works. There we go. Now, no one has the rules under the bonnet of YouTube, even though people all the time say they know how it works. I can only tell you from my experience of how it works. People on YouTube, people who have videos, who make videos how to be successful on YouTube, don't know any more than I do. They just like to tell you they know. I don't say that's what happens. I say from my research, that is what I have seen works. Okay, nobody knows how it actually works, and anyone who says they do is not being truthful. I simply am telling you from my experience what happens, because I study the algorithm like I study charts, second by second, minute by minute, and I measure everything. So I have a level of experience on that. So that's why I'm saying that. Trust me, it's got nothing to do with you giving me $1 tip or whatever. You do that to support the show anyway. So that's not why I'm saying it. I hope that makes sense. Right, let me come back to here a minute. Let me see. Read the comments. Could you set up a red telephone in your studio, a line solely reserved for Virgin Galactic? Well, of course I could. How cool would that be? Absolutely. $500 donation by Tilray. If you give me a $500 super chat, I will buy $500 of Tilray and I will make a video on it. Absolutely. Of course I will. If you give me a $500 super chat, remember, YouTube will take about, I think, is it 18, 19% out of that? But I will still do it anyway. Plus I pay tax on it, so I never receive the full amount. But yes, I would do it, make a video on it. Absolutely right. If you did that, I say that all the time on any stock. If you give me a super chat for a stock, then I will do that, and I will also make a video on it as well. Absolutely. So yeah, that's entirely up to you, Niels. Good evening, everyone. Got a little early today from work. Good day, Seth. Thank you, Mike, for taking care of our troll. Yes, let's have a look. Yes. Good evening, all from Denmark. How are you? Hi, Henrik. Good evening. B. Joel, good evening. Henrik, hi there. Charge Point back to lows. Great buy if interested. I'm not sure about Charge Point. I need to review it before I jump on it. Zed Hink, what did I miss? We just covered it. How is it too late to jump in if you're saying it's going to 100? It's not too late, but if you want to buy a stocks at value, undervalue, then that was the time. It's never too late. If you buy it at 20 and it goes to 30, it's still good. That's not what I'm talking about. That's not the type of investor that I am. I don't chase a stock ever. I find my allocation and I go all in on the allocation at the bottom. Then I just hold forever without any fear. I'm not saying it's wrong to buy further up. I'm simply saying the best time to buy Virgin Galactic has gone and it will never be here again. That's what I'm saying. Definitely not too late. I'm pretty sure Zach is still accumulating. Hey everyone, are you keeping an eye on the NASA launch overnight? No, I'm not, I'm afraid. I have it on the watch list. Patience and no FOMO, correct. Am I reading it right? 4,300 likes on this live. No, that's not right. 4,300 likes on this live. No, that's not right. No, that's impossible. What happened to Virgin Orbit, and was it owned by the same people? What happened to Virgin Orbit? It was part of the Virgin brand, yes, but it's a completely separate company. You can't compare the two companies just because Richard Branson was the founder in both and had investments in both, and it has the Virgin brand. They are different companies, so you can't compare the two. You need to be the digital channels anchor man. You don't have time even for that, but don't overcommit with Virgin Galactic or Martyn Lucas Investor goes on hold. No, that is not what I'm saying, Jojo S. I propose and will build my own job for Virgin Galactic. If I do this job, what I'm saying is Virgin Galactic, I will build a specific job, and it will be to promote Virgin Galactic like I'm doing now, during my shows live, except I will have special information. I will have video, people calling into the show from Virgin Galactic. They will use this as an update source to come in, phone in, and I'll be able to put videos out and content. So I will promote Virgin Galactic in this show, except like on the flights, we'll have the direct links from the cameras. That's what I propose. Direct links from the meetings that they have, and all of that stuff. That's what I want to put out. So there you go. I'm happy for you. I thought there was other news. No, you thought you can think whatever you like. This is the news there is. I'm bringing to you what I have. Breaking news. OpenAI ChatGPT fires its CEO, Sam Altman. Robbie Cooper, please verify the information for me via Discord. Definitely still a buy for long term. I still plan to bring my brokerage average down from 262 to current price, with total shares being 1,300 on Roth. That was my original goal. Good. You never had a problem performing on the big stage, Martyn. My early experiment results are that CEOs should keep their own political opinions to themselves and always remain neutral. You never had a problem performing on the big stage, Martyn. My early experiment results are that CEOs should keep their political opinions to themselves and always remain neutral. I don't know what to say to that. That's your comment. Fair enough. I don't have an opinion on what a CEO should or shouldn't say. I don't have an answer for that. Might add a few more. Not sure yet. I gave you a $10 and you refused to buy Tilray. I'm an elephant. I don't forget. Don't trust him, Niels. If I remember correctly, Jojo S gave me $10 super chat, and then said afterwards, and then said buy it or whatever. But no, if someone said to me, here is a super chat, or here is something to do something with it, I would absolutely 100% do it. No question about it. You still have to buy 5 Tilray. Jojo gave you super chat to do that. No, no idea. I cannot comment what happened months ago. I don't even remember, but I would have done it at the time. I recall Jojo super chatted you to buy Tilray, but you didn't. I would have done if it was specifically for that reason, but I did at the time say I'm not buying Tilray, and then he gave me Tilray, but I already said I wouldn't do it. If I remember correctly, that's what I said. I'm not doing it before he gave it to me to then convince me to do it. If I'm saying I will do it, if you super chat, then I will. That's so be absolutely clear. All right. Okay. Jojo, if he just ignores, we will forget. Just was trying to out his things. If he ignores, we will forget. Mr. Lucas, an MSK. I have 20,000 shares. Mr. Lucas. We know exactly what you're trying to do. I love it. Don't you mean 200,000? It's a plot twist. I forgot to add a zero. Yes. Here it is. Here it is, Martyn. Robbie Cooper. Here it is. I'm assuming Robbie Cooper has done a super thanks, because it doesn't show in here. It does it on the video. Let me have a look. No, you haven't. No, you haven't done a super thanks, Robbie. What you've done, I'll just share with you. What you've done is you've done a comment. Thanks, Martyn, for checking this out. Much appreciated. And that's fine. You don't have to do a super chat, all right? And I will gladly reply to that. There we go. Thank you, Robbie. That's not a super thanks. Thank you, Robbie. Or maybe that's what you meant. I don't know. Thank you, Robbie. My pleasure. There you go. Thank you, Robbie. Now, I'll show you what a super thanks is. If you go to a video, I'll show you what I mean. This is a super thanks. There is the video, and you can do a comment. And hang on, how do I do it? I don't think I can do it on my. I can't do it. It's my channel. How do I do it? There it is. There it is. There, look. Super thanks. See that, look? You can do a super thanks. That's what a super thanks is. Sorry, it's not a very well laid out. There we go. That's better. There you go. So that's what a super thanks is. Under the video, there's a little, see it, look? Like that. That's a super thanks. And what it does, it highlights, it highlights the comment. That's what a super thanks is, and it sends it out and it promotes the video. That's what that is. All right, just so you know the difference. I just don't want you to be confused about that. Jojo, is it right? Jojo is right. He gave it to you to buy Tilray, was read out. I'm not going over what happened here months and months ago just for you guys to wind me up. Wow, I got a gold badge now. What did I do that for? LOL. Zed Hink, let's have a look. You've got a yellow badge now. Not a gold badge. You've got a yellow badge. Mike has got a gold badge. And Tio Roll has got a gold badge. You've got a yellow one. That means you've been with me now as a member for 6 months. If you look in your super chats, you'll have a free one, and it says you can celebrate your membership. So yeah, that's what you can do now, and you get more benefits as time goes by. 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. I love it. We know the truth here, brothers. I'm getting a hard time here. Like Francesco Santos, I posted a link to the Super Chat CEO being sacked in the chat. Maybe the link isn't showing. I posted a link to the chat being, Robbie Cooper, you can't post a link in the chat. The only people that can do that is me and a moderator. If, however, you want to send a link, that's what Discord is for. That's why we have Discord, okay? You can't send links in the chat. It was last week. Get out of it, Crag. Stop it. It was last week, by the way. Look, I'm not having this. That super chat happened yesterday. Get out of it. What's going on here? Fight channel. He's after a fight. He's going, that happened yesterday. No, it didn't. Get out of it. The truth shall set you free. I love your show. Keep it up. Yeah, I'm getting attacked here. Left, right, and center. Can't believe what's going on here. It's flipping chaos. That's what it is. It's flipping chaos. I'm not having it. It's my bloody show. I've got everyone trying to take over. Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic, it's still going up. We put the video out. Well, the video will go out later on. I hope you'll all share it and like it and all the rest of it. Brilliant. Bloody hell, guys. You're giving me a hard time here. Right, my overall... I'm not doing it. Right. Okay. I need to focus because it's becoming the crazy crowd. Right. So there's my portfolio. There's the Roth IRA. We're now at 55.5. Okay, we're not quite 56 yet. I was hoping we would be. Anyway, we've got 7 minutes to go. Jojo S is laughing and crying, rolling around. Buy Tilray. I will buy Tilray. I'm saying it. So listen to me. If I get a super chat, I will buy Tilray with the super chat. But I ain't buying Tilray with the super chat I had some time ago, which I'd already said I ain't buying Tilray with. All right? Have we got that clear now? Have we got that? Have we got that in focus? All right? Is it in focus? All right? Are we absolutely in focus? Right? Totally in focus with each other, right? Stop it. I'm not paying any attention to this nonsensery. I thought if you would have bought it when he gave it you, you'd have been up 10%. I don't care. That's not the bloody point, all right? That's not the point. Freedom by what's his name? Yeah, we know what's his name. William Wallace. That's his name. Zed Hink. Yeah, you can do what you like. Tilray. I thought I'd join in. Don't join in. Seth, it's got nothing to do with you. Seth, you're not even in this argument. It's got nothing to do with... Why are you getting involved? Why are you getting yourself involved? Don't get involved. It's got nothing to do with you. It happened 45 minutes ago. Fight Channel. We get Crag versus Martyn in the wrestling ring after the Brunson fight. The Brunson fight. Fight Channel can handle that. Get him, MSK. I laugh more with you all than I do with my own friends. I swear to God. Well, if you're sitting there in the darkness of your room laughing all by yourself, you need to get a life, mate. You need to get out. You need to get out. If you're sitting there laughing to this all by yourself in a dark room at home, sat on the toilet, you need to get a life, mate. You need to get out. You need to get out. I'm allowed to laugh because I'm mental, right? I'm allowed to laugh because I'm talking to myself. You're listening, right? You're listening, right? I don't know if the energy and the ambience comes through the camera. I don't know how it looks. I've not watched me. I don't watch my show. I sit here and do it. I laugh because I'm mental. I'm talking to myself every day. I'm the mental one. Oh, I just realised that. 2.5 years now, I've sat here, laughed, and drunk whiskey and got drunk and messed about talking to myself, looking at this glass lens. Look, that's all I've got as a friend. So I'm excused. I'm allowed to laugh because I'm mental, because I'm talking to myself. You need to get a life because there's no one there. You're on your own, right? This army of Lucasades, they're all over the world. They're not with you round your house, right? The song Freedom by what's his name? That's George Michael. Freedom. Freedom is the song by George. Why are we doing the Freedom thing? What's wrong with you? Why are you giving me a hard time? Fight Channel. When is the Branson fight? I can't keep up with the comments. Seth, Houston, Bance, soon, Crag. Bring it on, says Mike. You noticed that it's Friday. Yeah? What about it? You noticed that it is Friday in the comment. Yes, it's Friday in the comment. What's that got to do with it? I'm actually in the bath. Well, get out of the bath, and I don't want to know you're sat in the bath naked watching me on the telly. I don't want to know that. I don't need to know that you're sat in the bath. It's beyond my... It's not necessary for me to know. Any thoughts on GE shares, Martyn? Split coming in a few months with GE Aero. I like how Poker Scrow goes. Let's bring it down. Poker Scrow. No, I don't, but I can review the stock for you if you are a member of my channel. You a member of my channel? I don't know if you are. Yes, you are. You can request it and it'd be a review and it goes to the bottom of the list. There's 11 to do before you, unless you do a super chat and drive it to the top. I still want my bloody $10 back. Jojo started this. Mike, I expect better from you. You're the bloody moderator. Don't you get involved. Just tell him I'm getting on the magic carpet ride. Go and do it. I don't want to know. Tequila shot, anyone? Him to invest in Tilray with it. Yeah, should. I'm getting on with you, Mike. Let's go. Get whiskey and buy Tilray. Damn thing is out of fuel. Good luck, Snoop Dogg. Martyn Lucas, you did this to your poor Houston. Yeah, you did this to poor Seth Houston. Yes, you did this to poor Seth Houston. What? I drove him to the bath. I drove him to it. Fuel her up, Mike. Do you reckon Richard looks like Branston Pickle? Most certainly. I'm going on strike. Anyone want his wrench? Well, maybe I'm wearing swim trunks. Yeah, you're fully dressed, I hope. 2 minutes ago, ever think about that? No, I don't think about that. I've never thought about that. I tell you what I could do. If you're going to try and be smart with me, because clearly you think you're going to be smart with me. You want to be smart with me? You got to get out early in bed than that. Look, Martyn Lucas has his very own swim trunks. Oh yes, very own swim trunks. Look, you can go on the shop, any size you like, right? Anywhere in the world. Extra. I'm assuming you're extra small, right? Extra small. You can have it in white, black, or blue. I'm just saying. So if you want to sit in the bath with trunks on, get yourself Martyn Lucas trunks. There's the front. There's the back. Look. You've literally got my finger up. I don't know if I should be mentioning that. Look, I've just realised if you wear these, you've literally got my finger in the wrong place. I didn't plan that. I just noticed that. I need to change that. I need to get rid of that before somebody buys one. All right, I just realised that. I just realised my is on the back of your trunks. didn't realise that. Didn't realise that. Right, okay, we've got 1 minute to go. Oh my God. Get ready to ring the bell. Get ready to ring the bell. It's gone chaos. It's gone chaos. Walkout looming. Walkout looming for Martyn Lucas. A walkout. Give Jojo the boot. Yeah, MSK. I'm going to see if I can get the Wizard of Oz balloon for you, Jojo. Just got notification. Tilray is up. Ha ha. What if I bought it earlier? I'd have been alright, wouldn't I? I meant it's Happy Friday. Yes, it is. Join Martyn with his water dancing. Does anyone remember Martyn's swim trunks? Nightmares. You don't have nightmares. That's just not true. You don't have nightmares. I'm not buying a word of it. I'm not buying a word of it. Right, Virgin Galactic. Let's see it. What happens on After Hours? You ready? 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone for Virgin Galactic and basically any other stock that exists on the stock market. You can see it's 2:19. The bell has now gone, and it's a Friday night. Things are looking very, very nice indeed. Jojo S. Does anyone remember Martyn's swim trunks? I still have nightmares. I have a shot, Martyn. Have a shot. We're going to do that in a minute. In a minute, it's the Virgin Galactic party. It's Friday night. Remember? Remember, you paying attention? The Virgin Galactic party. There it is, the Virgin Galactic party, and we won't mention Tilray or anything else in the show. Do you want to come? You want to come to the show? Here it is. Here's the link. Here's the bloody link. There's the link. 1, 2, 3. I'll put it in the chat. I'll even pin it to the top. Look, there you go. Virgin Galactic party. Let me make this video go directly to, we could go non-members again now, just for a minute, just to give everybody a bit of fun and funness. Right, here we go. And customization a minute. We'll take the video direct to my concert tonight. There's the Virgin Galactic video. That's now done. Marvelous. Right. That's set up. And let's have a quick look at what's happened the last few minutes on the show. 332 through the stream. 8,450 views. What's getting searched today? Virgin Galactic Mullen. Virgin Galactic Safety Shot is getting some views. Mullen, yeah, we talked about that. STNE, Stone, it's just gone out, so it's just started on 48 views. Brand new audience. No one knows me about that. I don't rank for that at the minute. Subscribers, 756, 758. Very nice indeed. How many people are watching? 73. Let me go into YouTube Live. Give that a like. Make sure that's done. Does anybody else need upgrading? No, everybody's upgraded on Discord. That's good. Oh my God, says Zed Hing. Oh, I'll be making a swim trunk investment as soon as the weather warms up. Seth. A swimming trunk investment. Yeah, you got to have that in you. Hang on a minute. Let me get. Why am I on the wrong page? That's better. Yeah. Well, you'll be lucky because I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that. I didn't. It randomly did that, so I need to change that design before you get a chance to buy it. Anyway, I'm gonna have nightmares. Bloody hell, Mike. Martyn, no, you created the best YouTube channel ever and got Seth Houston hooked on this channel. Seth is in the bath because he forgot to have one for a whole week. Watch it. Just live in the bath. You don't need to go anywhere. You might need to nip out the toilet. Other than that, stay there. Stay there. You know. I need drinks now. Drinks are coming. Drinks are coming. Francesco. I'm addicted. There it is. Good. I told you it was like a cult, isn't it? Disrespect is still lurking. Oh, is he still lurking? He's lurking. Happy. I just forgot that. He'll come back in again. Oh, no. Let's go members only. Quick. We don't want disrespect coming in. I mean, seriously. Why would you wake up in the morning knowing you're going to be disrespectful to people's channels, you knowing that's your intention, you want to be rude and disrespectful, and you even call yourself disrespectful? I mean, what sort of brain do you need? Hang on a minute. My life. What do I want to do with my life? Well, I could be positive, work hard, build something, and do something. No, that takes work. Hang on a minute. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be miserable. I'm going to call myself disrespectful. And then I'm going to go on people's other channels who've worked really hard to build something. And I'm going to be disrespectful. That's a brilliant plan. Oh, why did I think of this earlier? This is much better. I can be a complete moron. What can I say, folks? It's Friday night. Anyway, come on, out of hiding disrespect. You know why he wants you to cut. You know why he wants you to do that, don't you? Because Mike will slay him. Mike is just waiting for him to come back out. Yeah, I can see him. He's in the chat. I've just checked him. He's in the chat. If you type at the name, it comes up. So he thinks he's hiding. We know he's there, right? He's probably at home thinking, oh, I don't know what to say to this. I was rude, and he seems to enjoy it. If I don't say anything, he seems to enjoy it. I don't know what's left to do. Nothing, really. Just be nice. Have a good weekend. Nufu, don't tell me you're going to miss the concert. The concert starts in about 45 minutes. I'm going to be live doing requests. Songs for you, Nufu. You've got a girlfriend there. Look, I'll sing her a song. And she'll go, oh, I like this. I want to see this again. You could also go to the toilet in the bath. No one's going to the toilet in the bath. James, what sort of person are you? How do you live? Is that how you live on a day-to-day basis? Frank Sinatra, fly me to the moon. I tell you what, Bread, you can have Fly Me to the Moon from my piano in a minute in the studio over there in a minute. I can do a very good Frank Sinatra impression. Do you want a little taster? If I do it good, will you come to the concert? If I do it good now, will you come to the concert? Right. Here's my little, I turn on my echo, look. Hello? Hang on. You ready? Hello? 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 See, then my voice is the same. I've just added echo because some people go, oh, he's got one of them buttons and it makes his voice. No, it doesn't. It just makes it echo. This is for you, Bread. But if this is good, you got to put some jam on the bread and join me in the show. Right? You ready? Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me know what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. There you go. Little taster. It's better with the piano, right? Join me. LOL, says Mike. No, let him in. Come in. I want to troll. Disrespect. Are you able to put me in timeout, Jojo? No, he can't. Moderators can't punish moderators, I'm afraid. No, he can't. Henrik. Mike, eat him. I thought you were the all-powerful. He is. He does have an extra thing. He's like a manager moderator. He's like extra manager. It makes him feel good. It doesn't mean a lot. He's just like everybody else, but it makes him feel good. It's called a manager moderator. Basically, it's the same with the word manager before it. It's all it is. He's got a few extra tools. Doesn't know how to use them, though. He's got a few things, doesn't know what to do with them. So, to be quite honest with you, I don't know why I gave it to him. He's never used them. Doesn't know what to do with it. So, he's just like everybody else. Please delete the video because of Tilray misinformation. Please delete the video. No, it's going out as it is, and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm in at Oz. I'm cracking up with your reaction. I bet you are. See? Another person at home laughing to themselves in their bath. You need to get a life, mate. Right? I'm giving advice here. Can't give financial advice, but I can tell you to get out your house. Right. Bread. Yes. I'm not sure what. Yes, he's going to come to the show, or yes. Yes. I've got the word yes. Afternoon traders. Hope you're all caught bang. Ed Nivius. You're too late, mate. Don't just waltz in here at the end. Waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda with me. Don't come here waltzing in, saying what's going on. You've missed the main part of the show, Ed. It's been the best show ever. Yeah, thank you. Beautiful. You're very welcome. I've got some more like that, mate. Can't wait for the concert. Speaking of good old Sinatra, I'll probably be requesting My Way. What do you mean probably? Virgin Galactic style. What is Virgin Galactic style? I can do it in the voice of Elvis as well. I'm just showing off now. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear. In fact, that was nobody. I couldn't even do it right. I just think that was me. That was just me. Yes, extra makes me feel good in my old age. Exactly. It's no real difference. Just makes him feel good. It's nothing special. Right, okay, Virgin Galactic is going up in the after hours. I bet you wish you bought some more, didn't you? Sorry at work. Don't apologise, mate. Just sort it out. See, I don't like people who come on and say sorry who never fix it. That's not a real sorry. Leah says to me, if you're saying sorry and still doing it, you're not really sorry. That's what she says. And Ed's coming in going, I'm sorry, but I'm at work. Well, then stop being at work. Don't say sorry and then carry on the same. That's not a real sorry. I know this because my wife tells me. She tells me all the time, if you say sorry and carry on, it's not a real sorry. Oh my God, now he's laughing. Don't laugh. If you're on your own, if this is you, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what it could be like. All right. If this is you. Right. So you're at home. You're at home on your phone. You're at home on your phone. Right. So you're at home like this. Right. You're sat at home. No one's here. You're sat at home. You're like this. This is you, right? Right. So I've got me on the telly. Look, see, I've got me. Right. You're at home on your phone. Right. You're watching this. So you're just sat here on your own. Oh yeah. This is. Oh yeah. Oh, this Martyn Lucas, bloody funny. I can't believe it. I need to go and have a bath. Yeah. I'm watching it. Do you watch it like this? Do you watch it like that? Do you watch it like that? Sort of that way round and sort of like that, sort of full screen. Full screen mode. Do you watch me full screen, or do you watch me like that? That way. So you're sitting here. So that's what you're doing, is it? That's what you're doing right now. Is that what you look like? Full screen mode. Do you watch me full screen, or do you watch me like that way? Hang on, turn this off because if I watch this and I sit here watching it like you, I'm the same as you. And I can't be the same. I can't be the same as you. I can't be. That's what separates us. That's what separates us. Right. Okay. You turn that off. Right. That's what separates us, makes us different. Right. You watch the telly. I create the telly. Right. Okay. I can't quit. Why not? You can do anything you want to do. Take the bull by the horns. and I will not probably. Seth, what are you going to do? Martyn doesn't know any Merle. No, I don't, Mike. I ain't got a clue who that is. Mike, is he the Steppenwolf god? Nevius, Lord Martyn has spoken. You must quit your job now. Yes, all obey. Quit your job. Right, Ed Nevius. He can't do it. God bless the pusher man. Who's the pusher man? What the hell is he doing? He's lost it. He's lost it. No, that's what you're like. What is he doing? You should pay attention. You'd know what I was doing if you're listening. It's been a long week. It has. Oh dear, I think the Lord has lost the plot. Martyn, you really are funny though. My mum just asked if I'm okay from laughing so much at this. I think I'm going to cut the video and save it. You don't need to... Look, I spend a lot of time here making comedy gold for you. You don't need to cut it and save it. All you've got to do is this. Ooh, I don't like when people don't pay attention to me. I really does my head in. Right, listen here, Seth Houston. I hope you're talking about this. Where is it? Yeah, look. Under the video, there's a clip button. This is the video, look. You clip it. You want to clip any part of this, save it. You can put it on your social media. You can put it wherever you like. You can save it. You could go Seth's favourite bits. Right? You can have it your very own little playlist, right? And then on Discord, we have got a channel called, where is it? So I get to see what you're saving. I want to see it. And it's called Live Clips of the Show. People put it in here. And this is where, look, see that Baron Handley did one the other day. Baron Handley, Martyn's Cult. Should we have a look? Look, Baron Handley did one. It's called Martyn's Cult. I feel bad that I'm not a member. That's what we need. We need people to feel bad. That's when you've got a really good, successful channel. When people watch you and feel guilty, they're not members. That's what you need. That's what you need. That's when you become a cult, like a cult following. You wake up at night going, I've... See? So that's what happens. If you make a clips, you put it in there. All right? So if you're going to do it, I want to know about it. All right? Anyway, and you can do what you want then. That's what flipping Fight Channel does. He's always stealing my work. I watch the normal way with my phone on my belly, pretty much, and a smoke. Great markets are not good for him. Green markets. He's on something called Space, the Final Frontier. How much whiskey have Martyn been drinking? I've had none. None. Right, I'm out of here. I've got to go. Whiskey, yes. Right, that's it. Ooh, fancy. I like it. I only tell you this every day. How many times have I told people on their birthdays, clip it? I did a little clip sign. Clip it, save it, share it. I tell people all the time, Seth, you need to pay more attention. Unbelievable. Don't know why I bother sometimes. I put together a top quality show and people don't even appreciate it. Don't appreciate it, I tell you. Right, I've got to go because George and Elaine are coming round in a minute. Late night. George and Elaine. They're in their 80s. It's going to be a hell of a party. It always is. It's always a scream. I have to go outside, help George in. I have to help him to his chair, help him out of his chair into the toilet. It's great fun for me. I love him to bits. I can hear Leah coming in from Kroger. She's got all the shopping. She's going to be putting together a little soiree. Brilliant. Right. Looks like Martyn is watching himself after all. No, I don't watch myself after all. I'm just telling you how to do it. Don't start stirring the pot. Right, I've got to get off. My concert starts in a minute, and it can't start without me because it just can't, you know. If I ain't there, it ain't going to work, right? So join us at the party in a minute. I'm going to give you the link. Guys, let's all give Martyn Lucas a super thanks. You can't give me a super thanks in here. It's not possible. You can't do it. You can't do it on a live video. That's called a super chat. If you want to do a super thanks, right? You go below a video that's already played. You go below a video. You pick a video that's played like that. And then you click super thanks like that. That is how you do that's how you do a super thanks below a video. I've already told you this. I'm not telling you again. All right. Right, I've got to go. It's time for the party. I'm not even going to do day trader of the day. You don't deserve it. You've been very bad today. We got Seth sitting around in trunks in the bath. We got too many things going wrong that you don't deserve it. Right, I'm out of here. Let me roll the credits. Damn, he posted right between my super chat. What? Who posted between a super chat? Right. I've got to go. I'm out of here. Right, that's it. Time to go. Play the music. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. See you all back in a minute. Basically, in a minute. I'll get ready in a minute. Come and join us for the live concert. This video will take you right there. And come and join us. We'll have a bit of a sing-along. Right? That's it from me. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Doopy-dooby-doo. Shoot-moo-shoot-be-doo-be-doo. Wow, look at this, look. Portfolio's great on a Friday night. On a Friday night. Doopy-dooby-doo. Ba-da-doo-doo-ba-da-doo. Listen, folks, you might as well just be an idiot because you live until you die. So you might as well just do what you like, really. Have a laugh. No one's watching. Turn to the whole world. Turn to the whole world as seeing me acting like a crazy fool. I tell you what, Michael Cole Glazier's thinking, I'm not so sure he's a good representation of the company. That's probably what he's saying right now. He's probably saying, yeah, he's got a nice studio. Yeah, he's got passion. But yeah, he's a good, hard worker. But he does too many. You never know when he's going to do that. So, we can't have. I mean, we can't fly rockets like that. Imagine if we had astronauts doing that. Fly a rocket and then. I mean, we'd be crashing into buses and bumping into Pelican crossings. We can't have that. We got to focus. We have to focus on the job in hand. Flying rockets. We can't have Martyn Lucas. No. Right. Okay, I'm out of here. I should have rolled the credits 10 minutes ago. Roll credits. Roll credits. I'll see you in a minute. Come and join me on the live show. It's going to be amazing. More stuff like this. Stars of the show. Well, that was great. I'm glad I built that up so much. No subscribers. No members. No super chats. It's so bad, I'm not even going to play it. I'm going to turn it off. I'll see you all back in a minute when the entertainment gets equally as good on my live music show. You can request a song if you want, or not. Until then, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other, if you like. Bye-bye for now. See you on Sunday with Sensei's show. Back on Monday. Ta-ra.